Welcome back on my YouTube channel, Monday to Monday. This week, no boat stuff. So this week no boat stuff because I didn't been to the boat. It was a really busy week. My daughter turned 8, so we had a little party. I had some jobs around the house to do. Anyway, I didn't have time to go to the boat and we had to prepare the party for Nina. So my workshop looks like this again. It's not too bad and I did some jobs around the house. I will show you. So I have been mowing the lawn a lot. Seed some grass. Started to build a roof over the jacuzzi. Jessica and I did some gardening and some cleaning up of the property again. And as you can hear and see, summer is turning back. So yeah, really happy about it. It's not cold, it's not warm either, but I can wear this, so it's okay. I'm going to start the day with obviously cleaning my workshop. I had a little job in the workshop for a friend of mine. His spray hood got some damage during a storm, so I'm going to help him out and clean this up. So I learned some YouTube magic. Let's go. Oh. Yes! So this is not exactly a spray hood, but I don't know the English name for this. This is behind a steel boat around a sunroof. So what the actual name of this thing is, I don't know, but you can see what it is. It sustained some serious damage. Zippers are ripped off. Zipper protectors are ripped off. I find those things, we call them teenaksen. This is done. There's a tear over here. One of the windows, this window is torn up. We decided to not replace the window, just stitch something over here because he said, I don't care, it's an old boat, it's okay. Tear here, there are some burn marks on a zipper somewhere, so I have to replace that zipper. All in all, this is a decent job. So let's see what I can make of this. I think it will be fine. This spray hood was pretty damaged. I'm not even halfway. I'm on 1/3 and I'm working on it for like 2 hours now. That's crazy. So what I'm doing is restitching everything because all the stitching on this spray hood is worn by the UV light of the sun. It wears out. It wears out the stitches, the thread of the stitches. And when that happens, it simply tears. So everything is falling apart. The windows were falling out. So this window and this window is done. These stitches are okay-ish. I don't want to put too much work in it. Alright, let's go see how that part of the spray hood is doing. I checked the other panels and there are some small repairs. I did the worst. So I need to stitch everything through, all the stitches, new stitches, and do a few small repairs, and then this is done. Not going to film it because stitching, 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 more stitching. Then we stitch some more stitching. And we can stitch some more stitching and stitching. Job done. And now I'm going to edit this episode because it's Monday. It's today. Like today. I have to do this today. I'm on the end of the editing. End of the episode. It's a little bit of a short one. I'm sorry about that. Next week it will be a better one because next week we're going to pick up the new boat of my brother-in-law. So we're gonna have to sail this ship, drive this ship, steam this ship from the one end of Holland to the other end of Holland to moor her next to the trawler. I think this will be a good one. Thanks for watching. If you like this episode, please like and subscribe. And of course, I'm going to see you next Monday.
Later.